Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue chapter 11, Constructors. In the previous class, you had done that what is a parametrized constructor with the help of an example. My today's topic is constructor overloading. So today you will learn what is constructor overloading with the help of a program. Students, you know, constructor. What is a constructor? A member method with the same name as that of the class. What is overloading? Overloading means having the multiple constructors with the same name. Now have a look at this example. Class ABC having the variables A and B of integer type A. This is a default constructor. Means a constructor having no parameters and no statement in its body. In the same program, I have created a second constructor, that is a parameterized constructor. So students, you are able to see that in one class, in a whole program, I have created two constructors. This is known as constructor overloading. Means using the same constructor as many times as I want, but with different parameters. Now, how the compiler will recognize these constructors? It is with the help of the parameters that are given in the brackets. Now, let's discuss an example from your book. Students, please open page 297, program 11.4. Now, in this program, a class is there, cuboid, in which three variables, instance variables, length, width and height are declared. Now, first constructor that is created is without any parameter. It means non-parameterized constructor as it is having the body. Now, let's continue the program on page 298. Here, a constructor is having one parameter. Then, we have initialize instance variable length is equals to the member variable of a constructor. Rest values have been initialized like width equals to 15, height equals to 10. Now we have created a third constructor with two parameters len and wd. Now length instance variable will be initialized equals to len and width equals to wd, whereas height we have initialized to 10. Then there is a constructor with three parameters len, wd, ht. Now we have created a volume method to calculate the volume of a cuboid with the formula length into width into height. Now the question arises, which parameters will length, width and height will accept? So students, as you have noticed that every constructor has different signatures, means different parameter list or different number type. So, a compiler will invoke the constructor depending upon the number of parameters and the type of parameters. Now, in this example, cuboid, first object cuboid 1 is created and a constructor with no parameters means default constructor is invoked. In the second case, cuboid 2, second object is created with one parameter list, that is 50. As we have declared here one parameter, len. So, len will be 50. Now, on page 299, third object is created of class cuboid with two parameters, length and width. And at the last, fourth object is created, cuboid 4 with three parameters, where length equals to 46, width equals to 30 and height is equals to 14. So, line number 67 will invoke the constructor on line number 36 as we are having the three values length, width and height. So students, let's view the output. While constructor with no parameters was invoked, the length was 20, width 15 and height 10 according to the volume of the cuboid is 3000. When we invoke constructor with one parameter, then length equals to 50 was assigned as a parameter. Rest values were given. So the volume of cuboid is generated, that is 7500. When two parameters were invoked, means length equals to 102, width equals to 40 and height was already assigned, then volume will be 40800. And the last one is cuboid 4, that will generate the answer 19320. Dear students, so what actually is constructor overloading? It's a process of creating more than one constructor with the same name but different parameter list, as you have observed in this example. Now let's do the related key term, constructor overloading. The process of creating more than one constructor with the same name but different parameter list. Students, today we have learned that what is constructor overloading with the help of an example. Do practice related programs on BlueJ. Thank you.